Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 368th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to thank all of you for all the birthday wishes. I had a wonderful time. Thank you again, my friends. Today, I want to share a recipe with all of you that is near and dear to my heart. It's an old-fashioned apple pie that my mama and grandmother used to make for me when I was a little girl. We used to go get some apples and bake some fresh apple pie in my grandmother's kitchen. OMG, it was incredible. My friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. This is comfort food at its best. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this apple pie. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, No Bake Cake Battered Cheesecake. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your apples, and your spices, sugar, because we're about to bake some apple pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, we're going to start this recipe off by prepping our apples. I'm using 8 medium Macintosh apples, or you can use Granny Smith or Gala, whichever you prefer. We're going to peel them, core them, and slice them. Alright my friends, I got my apples together and I put it in my large bowl. So now it's time to add in the other ingredients. We're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and 1/4 cup of pat light brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Our spices, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch each of salt and ground allspice. And 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. It's going to create a glaze. And the lemon juice will give the pie a great flavor, and it helps prevent the apples from turning brown. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring my apples. Look at that beautiful glaze. Smells heavenly. I love the smell of apple pie spices. Alright, so now we're ready to pour the apples into the pie crust. We're going to pour in a 9-inch pie crust. And this is my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Or you can use a refrigerated or frozen pie crust. And make sure you grease the pie pan with butter. Just pour them into the pie crust, like so. Uh-oh. Get back in there, sugar. Spread them. And make sure you get all that glaze in there. Alright my friends, now we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that cut into little squares. Going to put them right on top of the pie filling. Alright, so now I'm going to set this aside while we work on the other pie crust. Alright my friends, I put my pie crust on the flour surface. So using my rolling pin, just going to roll it to about a 1/2 inch thick. We're going to make a lattice crust. Alright my friends, so now we're going to cut them into strips. Like so. Alright, now we're ready to put the strips right on top. Just like that. And you can always fix it if it breaks up on you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the strips on. I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got my pie strips on top. And also, you can put the whole pie crust on top if you like. But I prefer doing the lattice top. Now it's time for the final step. We're going to brush it with an egg wash. That's just 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water or milk. Going to give it a nice golden brown crust. And this is optional. I'm going to add just a little bit more butter chunks on top. Kind of like a little more buttery. And now we're going to sprinkle some white sugar on top. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to put this apple pie in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 50 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned apple pie. Don't that look beautiful? And look at that gorgeous brown crust. Next to freshly baked cookies and bread, apple pie is the next best thing. Smells incredible up in this kitchen. Oh, I can't hardly wait to dig in. Alright, so now I'm going to let the apple pie cool for a few minutes, and then I'll cut me up a slice and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and you can't have apple pie without a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Some good old apple pie a la mode. Thought that looked delicious? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Got me a little vanilla ice cream. The apple's nice and tender. The taste of spices. The pie crust, full of buttery goodness. This apple pie is marvelous, my friends. Just like how my mama and grandmother used to make. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Apple pie, alamo-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram. I love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.